You had the brightest dreams. You were gonna be an artist who played in a band. But I guess all things change when you're lying on the side of the road in the Everglades. How the hell did it make sense that you saw what Charlie went through? Does hell taste as sweet as you thought? Do you like what you bought? I guess Dolly's not over 8 and you're not the person I love. Takes a lot more than half you've been to be my friend. You smell like hospitals, and you look like bad news. And if God is real, then I hope He has a plan for you. If the devil is real, let him know I asked how he's been. 'Cause when I rid myself of my demons, they must have found a home in you. So if hell is real, then I hope you're enjoying your stay. And if hell is real, then I hope you're enjoying your stay. And if hell is real, then I hope you're enjoying your stay.